Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Finally brought in some film screen protectors for my Google Pixel Watch. I don't want anything to happen to this glass dome. And I'm really stoked right now that nothing has happened, because I have been wearing it and I've been switching it out between my Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and sporting both of them just to kind of get a feel for both. And the only thing that I wish is that we had a bigger dome, a bigger display, and hopefully next year we'll get that, 2 different variants. But I am loving the experience, but it needs protection. And so I brought in these film screen protectors. It says glass right here, but they're not. I will leave the information down below in the description area to purchase these film screen protectors. You get 3 of them. So if you screw up one, you can try again, and hopefully you don't screw up twice to have to use the 3rd one. Anyway, so I'm going to get in here and pull out the screen protectors. We're only going to need one of these. And this is what they look like. Interesting. Now I do have a Rinky watch case coming in. Taking pre-orders. I think that they should be coming in soon. So I'll be receiving the Rinky case for this watch. Now it's not going to be with a built-in screen protector. It's just going to be a case that fits around the edge of the dome of the Pixel Watch. And that's why I brought these in. I'll put this on, and when I bring in that Rinky case, it's going to go right over the top. There are a few different choices that you can choose from over at the Rinky website and over at Amazon for the Rinky case as far as color and texture. I'm bringing in the black matte case. So that's going to give the watch itself a little extra thickness. But more importantly, that protection that I keep talking about. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. So that's the front and the back. Yeah, that looks really, really nice. Totally digging it. Obviously some bubbles in there, and I'm sure they're going to work themselves out by morning time. Then I'll get the Rinky case, put it on, I'll have full protection, and I'm going to feel really, really good about sporting this watch without being too worried about it. So I'll give you an update during the early morning vlog, so stay tuned for that. Let's go ahead and test out the touch sensitivity. Nice. Nice. Yeah, that's feathery smooth, man. Feathery smooth. Totally digging it. No notifications. Settings. No issues whatsoever. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. And again, all the links or anything mentioned in this video will be down below in the description area. And stay tuned for that update. That's it. God bless. Stay safe and healthy. Peace. I am out.